Those driving under the influence could get double the current punishment as part of the first proposed amendments to penalties for irresponsible driving offences under the Road Traffic Act in nearly 20 years. The Home Affairs Ministry says it's in response to increased public feedback and more motorist offences from 2015 to 2018.
Now, the bill introduced in Parliament today is also aimed at making penalties comparable to other jurisdictions. Gwyneth Cho with the highlights.
Right now, traffic offences may fall under the Penal Code or Road Traffic Act. The amendments bring all irresponsible driving offences under the Road Traffic Act and come with harsher maximum penalties. Two new classes of offences are also proposed: careless driving and dangerous driving. Penalties will also be decided on a spectrum of severity. On one end, for careless driving without causing hurt, a first offence carries a maximum penalty of 6 months jail and/or a fine of $1,500, while a second offence is a 1-year jail term and/or a fine of $3,000. For a more severe case where death is caused, first-time offenders can be locked away for up to 3 years and/or fined up to $10,000. A repeat offender may face up to double that. For those caught driving dangerously for the first time, they may face a maximum jail term of 1 year and/or a fine of up to $5,000. A second offence is up to twice that. But if they cause death, they will be put away for at least 2 years up to a maximum of 8 years. And a repeat offender will be put away for up to 15 years. All dangerous driving offenders will also get their licenses suspended immediately. If any offence was committed under the influence of alcohol or drugs, there are add-on jail terms and financial penalties. Stiffer punishments also face anybody caught driving under the influence. First-time offenders will now get double the penalty compared to current laws. Other minor changes were also made. For instance, those not wearing a motorcycle helmet can face up to 3 months jail or up to $1,000 fine, or both. This is compared to the current fine of $200. Also, drivers will have to help all animals they hit, when previously they only needed to do so for farm animals of commercial value.